I'm Toby and this is Sea Life. What I've got here are some of the last little tomatoes that are coming out of my garden, and instead of canning them, I'm going to freeze them. So what I found out is you can take these little cherry tomatoes, be sure they're clean and be sure they're spotless, kind of pretty nice, really nice tomatoes, and be sure they're nice and clean. And you can actually put them in the freezer just like this for 2 hours, I would say about 2 hours, and then you can bag them up. And we've got that food saver that actually makes it like airtight and airlocked. And so we're going to put those in that food saver, and we will be freezing our tomatoes. But you want to freeze them first nice and hard before you put them into your food saver bags. And then you put them right into the freezer and they stay, and they will be preserved for I don't know how many months. I forgot that part, but it's quite a while. That will keep these tomatoes for quite a while, and that will be perfect, because right now, I don't know about you guys, but we're trying to take full advantage of everything coming out of our garden. All right, thank you all. Y'all have been so kind. Thank you all for your likes, your subscribes, hitting the notification bell so that you'll see when we get a new video all the time, and all of the support of this channel that you've given. We so appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, here's my freezer. We've got a bunch of stuff here, but I'm going to put them right in, right there. That's kind of a weird, let's see if I can get them in there. There they are. They're going in there for 2 hours. And see, I have some right here that I've already done, and they are, that looks perfect. And I can't wait to be able to use those later. Here's my green peppers I've done. And I love that too.
Okay, we have a food saver. It's called Game Saver Big Game. This is one of the bigger ones. Here's the front side of it, right here. There's a lever. You got like closed for it just holds this closed, and then you got down here at the bottom. It actually is pressure sealed then, and this is actually really tight so that it can do vacuuming and all that stuff. So we're going to open it up first, and there's a bag storage here. We're going to pull out a length of bag. That's probably about good enough. And we close that down all the way. And then up here it just seals the bag. It's not going to vacuum it, it's just going to seal the bag. So I hit that button, you see the red light right here. And there's a cutter right here. While it's doing that, I'm just going to cut it off. We'll wait for the red light to go out. Open it up. And that bag is sealed. Oops.
What do I need?
Well, I guess my cutter didn't work with it, darn.
Try that one more again.
I usually push down on that cutter just so don't do that.
Okay.
Oh wow, that's pretty. You know what? We're gonna seal that one more time. I think I cut it a little close to the seal.
So what that does is just make a little Ziploc type bag. We can put our tomatoes in, or our produce in.
So there's one bag. We're going to need probably
Hi,
two.
Nathaniel.
Grab an apple.
All right. Go for it.
You want another apple?
I think they're in the closet over there, the pantry.
So we're gonna make 2 of these bags.
Close the door for me, sweetie. Well, that door is wandering open.
Break it up, Tom.
For
Why?
some reason, my camera, it will not just stay there. There it is. Okay, I won't get that board.
Okay.
So, yeah, we don't need very many bags. Like I said, we don't need very many bags for this little project because we don't have very many tomatoes left, so, are out of the garden today. And we just like to try to keep up with our food preservation so that nothing spoils, to the best of our ability anyway. So here they came. They're out of the freezer. Daniel just took them out of the freezer. And now I see one here that's got a little spot. I think I'll throw that one out though, because you want them to be perfect. You don't want any little spots. So there they are. Beautiful.
Now we're gonna bag them up.
We're gonna bag them up.
About half of that into one bag.
Okay. Daniel's gonna, I should say Daniel's gonna bag them up.
There's the first one. You're gonna have a little room in there anyway, but it don't need to be quite that much room. Close it, push the handle all the way down. The little green light comes on right there. And then we're gonna push the bottom one and it's gonna vacuum seal. And then we're gonna wait for all the lights to go off. So the green light goes up as it's sealing it, see? And now it's actually sealing the top now that it's vacuumed it up real good. And while it's doing that, I'm going to fill this other bag. And this one's done. So there's that bag.
Ta-da!
Pretty.
I'm gonna put that right in the freezer.
Yeah, it's good to keep it froze. Take this one, I'm going to put that one down in there. Do the same thing. See how it's sucking the air out of that thing?
All right.
And we're done. And then when you're done with it, there's a storage spot. So you put it, you latch it closed, go halfway, and that just kind of locks it so it don't come open, but it's not super tight. So it ruins the seal on it. And we're ready to put it away.